Test 1. Trying to figure out the optimum speed, voice and distance from the microphone. In the beginning we did a big and big and big and big, and then a small and small and small and small, and then eventually we did a fast and fast and fast, and then a bit later we did a slow and slow and slow. I think that will be a valid test. Thank you. Test 2. Maybe I must speak a bit louder. At the end of the day, it's going to be a quality game. Let's see. I wonder how long it will take to do the all. Wow, thank you very much. Okay, testing the distance to be about 200 millimeters from the lips. Hey, Lucy lips. I think we can do 1, 2, 3, and maybe 4, 5, 6. It should give us a good indication. Thank you. Somehow I need to get the preacher's voice going here, because I think this is a bit dull and mundane. So I need to get the vocabs out and all the other nonsense get going. Thank you.